Good morning, everyone. This is Wild Whiskers TV. Let's find out and study the adorable and exotic animals with unique whiskers living in the earth. And at the end, I have a question for you to answer. And you might be one of the lucky ones to win this channel's annual raffle promo. Let's go. The platypus, Ornithorhynchus inatinus, is a semi-aquatic mammal native to eastern Australia and Tasmania. It is one of the few species of mammals that lay eggs rather than give birth to live young. The platypus has a unique appearance, with a beaver-like body and a duck-like bill. It has webbed feet and a waterproof coat that helps it to swim and dive in rivers and streams. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs, which they use for defense against predators and competition with other males during breeding season. Platypuses are also known for their ability to detect electric fields, which they use to locate prey in the water. They mainly feed on aquatic invertebrates, such as insects, crustaceans, and mollusks. Platypuses are a fascinating and unusual animal, and they have been the subject of much scientific study and research. However, they are also an endangered species, threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and human interference in their natural habitats. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve these unique creatures and their habitats. Platypuses are one of the few mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. After mating, the female platypus will lay 1 to 3 leathery eggs, which she will incubate for around 10 days before they hatch. The newborn platypuses, called puggles, are born blind and hairless, and they rely on their mother's milk for nourishment. Platypuses reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age, and they typically mate during the breeding season, which occurs from June to October in Australia. The males use their venomous spurs to compete with other males for access to females. In the wild, platypuses can live for up to 10 to 12 years, although some individuals have been known to live for up to 17 years in captivity. However, their lifespan is affected by a variety of factors, including disease, predation, and habitat quality. Platypuses are considered to be a unique and important part of the ecosystem in Australia and Tasmania, and efforts are being made to conserve and protect their populations. The platypus has several unique characteristics that set it apart from other mammals. Duck-like bill. The platypus has a flat, broad bill that resembles that of a duck. It uses its bill to detect prey in the water by sensing electric fields. Webbed feet. The platypus has webbed feet that help it to swim and dive in the water. Venomous spurs. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs that they can use for defense against predators and competition with other males during breeding season. Fur. The platypus has dense, waterproof fur that helps it to regulate its body temperature in cold water. Egg laying. The platypus is one of the few mammals that lays eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Electroreception. The platypus has the ability to detect electric fields, which it uses to locate prey in the water. Semi-aquatic. The platypus is a semi-aquatic animal that spends much of its time in the water, but also comes on land to rest and forage. These unique characteristics make the platypus a fascinating and unusual animal, and have led to much scientific study and research to better understand its biology and behavior. The platypus is a semi-aquatic mammal that is native to eastern Australia, and it plays an important ecological role in its ecosystem. Here are a few ways that the platypus contributes to its environment. Predator control. Platypuses are predators themselves, but they also help to control populations of other animals that might otherwise become overpopulated and disrupt the ecosystem. For example, they feed on crustaceans, insects, and small fish, which can help to prevent these animals from becoming too abundant. Nutrient cycling. As platypuses consume prey and then excrete waste, they help to cycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. This can help to fertilize the soil and support the growth of plants and other organisms in the area. Indicator species. Platypuses are also considered to be indicator species, meaning that their presence, or absence, can be used as an indicator of the overall health of an ecosystem. If platypus populations are thriving, it is a good sign that the ecosystem is healthy and functioning properly. Overall, while the exact role of the platypus in its ecosystem may vary depending on the specific ecosystem and other factors, it is clear that this unique and fascinating animal plays an important role in maintaining the health and balance of its environment. My question: what is scientific name of platypus? Comment your answer with your name. And please share, consider subscribe and click the bell icon. Your simple viewing, sharing and subscribing is big help to self-supporting student in the Philippines that we help. Thank you.